It's a 2013 Chevrolet Suburban. The Suburban has dominated the road since 1935. This model continues the tradition with the power, efficiency, and adaptability you'd expect. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, remote engine start, dual-zone climate control, tow haul mode, aluminum wheels, touring suspension, and automatic transmission. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At Arizona Car Sales, you won't find a better vehicle for a better price. Conveniently located at 1648 East Main Street in Mesa, Arizona.